now we just want to double check the consequence of the process, just the purchase order, the goods receipt, and the invoice verification in our asset. And for this, of course, well, we'll use the asset values. So let's switch to general reporting and let's start asset values. Of course, well, let's just enter the details. And well, of course, the ID for our asset. And let's query the database just to double check everything. So as you can see, we have now exactly what we needed, what we wanted, because we have now the asset already activated, and it has been posted with this acquisition correctly for 2000. Of course, just the other section was just the tax. So the value for our acquisition for this asset is 2000. Of course, we have the ordinary depreciation, and really interesting here at the bottom we have the transactions, of course, and as you can see, we have on the correct date, we have the value here for the posting, and the transaction type is 120, because this is really interesting. It's the goods receipt, the one that the process that was the one that actually posted the acquisition to the asset and that activated the asset. Of course, we have the ordinary depreciation. Actually, if we come here, we will get all the planned depreciation for each month and for the full year. Here, interestingly enough, we on the left hand side at the bottom, let's just expand this, because we have a link to the purchase order always, so we can always know that this is started with this purchase order. Of course, we have the vendor and just, well, everything else, the cost center, the profit center, the GL account, and, well, because this was also considered for PM, the equipment. So just last but not least, let's double check the master record, just to analyze that the correct dates were set up here for the capitalized on date and the first acquisition, and of course the year. So everything is correct for our new MacBook Pro laptop, and well, with this we can just finish the full cycle of well, posting this acquisition for the asset using the materials management process. And, well, with this we can just then quit the app, and of course we want just to invite you to keep learning with all of our trainings. So thank you so much.